Hello guys, welcome back to my channel technical tutorial. So in this video we will see how to set up a free Jira for Windows 11 operating system. So for that we have a certain step, like we have to create a free Jira account, then we have to set up the site, then we have to choose the framework and template, and then we need to create the projects. So let's start. First open your favorite browser and search for Jira software. Just hit enter, then you will get the atlassian.com, the website for the Jira. Just open it into the new tab. Now here we have to just log in to create the account. So here we have the some option like Google, Microsoft, Apple and Slack. So we'll go with the Google. Just select this, then select your email ID, then continue, then click on create your account. Then we have to enter your site, so I'll just keep it as it is. It will get automatically, and if it is available, then here you can see the green tick, so I'll just keep the same and click on continue button. Now here we have the different option like software development, marketing, IT, support, design. So from here we'll choose the software development, plan, build and ship agile project, and click on just continue button. So we have to select the plan for us. So for what we are using this GR, like tracking the works, managing tasks. So you can select here what we need to do. You can select the multiple option. So I'm just selecting track bug, manage task and estimate time and efforts, and just click on the continue button. So we have created the Jira account successfully and logged into the page. So here you can set the timelines for the project. Then from here you can just create the new project. So it is asking us, are you familiar to the Jira software? So I'm just selecting not familiar and just click on get started. So this is the Jira. From here project, you can create the new project, all view all the projects which we have. From here you can apply just filter to your project, and this is the dashboard. From here you can create dashboard. Then here the team, you can create team, add your people to the Jira. Then here you can create the new plan for your team. So this is the Jira free software. In this way you can create the Jira account and you can use it for the free.